Important safety precautions to take when handling hot oil. Always wear your PPE. Let's review all the products needed to install your Masterfil filter. Filter pan, screen, Masterfil filter, hold down ring, crumb basket, and lid. Next is the easy installation process. First, place screen in filter pan. Take the Masterfil filter and place on top of screen. Place the hold-down ring on top of the Masterfil filter. Set the crumb basket on top. Place the lid right on top of the filter pan. And lastly, slide assembled filter pan into the fryer, aligning the pickup tube with the fryer port. Cleaning the Masterfil filter is a key step for success and an easy task to complete. First, slide the filter pan out from the fryer. Remove the lid and place onto a clean surface. Lift crumb basket out and dump debris and trash. Place the crumb basket on a clean surface. Take the master scoop and scrape filter at a 90-degree angle, scraping debris to one side. Once the filter is scraped, scoop all debris and dispose. Now, we reassemble the filter pan. Place crumb basket into filter pan. Secure lid back on top of filter pan. Finally, slide assembled filter pan into fryer. It is important to remember, Masterfil filters last for 7 days. Discard Masterfil filter, clean and dry pan, and replace with a new filter. Scrape filter twice a day to extend oil life. And do not get filter wet.